Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. This is the VANPORE leaf blower, and it has been really fun to see all the different ways we can use it. I really appreciate how I can put it on one of the lower settings, and with our rubber mulch, I can blow all of the leaves off without blowing all of the mulch out. Nothing is worse than trying to remove all of that debris in the fall without messing up your mulch. It's very ergonomic how you hold it, and it's very light. It's just over 5 pounds, so even my 10-year-old can use it for quite a while. When you're using it, it can last up to 75 minutes on the lowest speed and 15 to 20 on the highest speed. So, especially on the low speed, this will last a long time. We have a basketball goal in our backyard, and it is a pain to sweep off. It takes forever, but with the leaf blower, it's a piece of cake. I've even been having our son leaf blow the driveway after my other son mows. It's also really nice to blow off your patio, and with fall coming, there's going to be leaves everywhere. I was also able to blow all of the little debris off of this pool cover so that the debris didn't get caught in the cover when it rolled up or get into the pool. So it was a quick job, and it really keeps the pool extra clean. So if you're looking for a leaf blower for so many different reasons, this one works really nicely and it's very easy to use. And that's my point of view.